as far as the edge is concerned, you get a very, very fine edge on here. You will get a shaving edge very, very quickly. I'm just going to demonstrate this with a skinning knife, or for a hunting knife, or any type of knife. The beauty of this is you're taking this on a fairly shallow angle, and you just take your time and just let the diamond do the work. You don't have to whip it through quickly. I can see exactly what I'm doing there. Just take it one side.
You're not pressing on?
I'm not pressing on there at all. I'm just letting the diamond do the work. And believe it or not, you will, on a knife that's reasonable to start with, you will put an edge on there very, very quickly. And the idea is that you're getting something that's just gliding through paper as opposed to cutting it. That is quite, I would suggest, a keen edge.